Hi, Shepherd Stallions. My name is Mrs. Lynch, and I'll be your math 7th grade and 8th grade teacher this year. A little bit about me is I went to the University of Arizona. As you can see, I'm a huge Wildcat fan, and I also went to Mesa Public Schools, where I graduated from Red Mountain High School. I'm going to show you guys how you can log into Big Ideas through the Mesa Public Schools az.org website. So if you go to your Mesa Public Schools az.org, you can always scroll down to the bottom under Academic Resources, and you can click on the Big Ideas district device, if you have a district device, sorry. If you click on your Big Ideas, you'll see either in my class, or you can look and scroll down, you'll see Big Ideas Learning, and you can click on that, and it will take you to your Math Big Ideas. Real convenient. Also, there is a link in our Canvas page, so if you ever get stuck, you can go there as well. I'm excited to be here as your math teacher. This year is going to be different, but we're going to try making it as fun as possible, and we're going to learn a lot. Some items that you may need for class are a notebook, pencils, pens. You could grab a calculator. It's optional, a mouse, optional since everything's online, and headphones so we can hear you much better, and hopefully it drowns out any of the background noises. And again, our textbooks will be the Big Ideas online. So you can see here we have our grading scale. Tests and quizzes are 65%. Homework is 10%, and study skills is like when we're doing our assignments in class will be 25%. At the end of the semester, our grades are based on 80% of what you guys got in class with a cumulative grade, and then your final exam will be worth 20% of your grade. So it's very important to follow along, attend class, and take notes. Again, I'm going to show you something else for parents. If you need to check your child's grade, you can log into Parent View. If you haven't done so before, I'll walk you through and show you how to do this. Parent View, you go to your Mesa Public Schools again, and you'll find the Parent View at the bottom. You'll log in as a parent. Say I'm a parent, and you will put in your username. Once you do this, it will take you to your student's page, and you can go through here and you can check their grades, their teachers. If you need to get a hold of them, you can go through there and you can reach out to them. So that's another thing you guys can use for your parents to check your students' grades. Make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing, because you don't want to wait to the very end of the semester and you notice that they're failing and they need a bunch of work to do and it's hard to get it all turned in. Video chat expectations. Again, this is going to be a little different this year since we are all technology based until we are told anything different. So make sure we're on time to get there as quickly as we can. If we are late, I understand, but please just make sure that your mute button is on so when you come in, I don't hear the background noise when I'm in the middle of my lesson. When you are talking, make sure you are dressed appropriately. You are on camera, try staying still, don't spin around the chairs because it gets pretty distracting. When the teacher's speaking or if somebody else is in my meeting talking to you, please stay on mute until you are called on to speak. Stay on topic when you are talking and raise your hand if you need to get my attention. Also, we have the chat. I have it so you can speak with me directly and you can say if you have a question, I try answering it as quickly as possible. When you are in class, make sure you're focused, you are paying attention, and be an active participant. It's how you're going to learn, and again, I understand it's a little different this year. Make sure you're respectful with your words, actions, and everything that you share in class. And if I ask you a question, you understand, please thumbs up, I get it, thumbs down, no I don't, or raise your hand, I have a question, or again, you can send me the chat, which I try, like I said, quickly respond because I understand it's hard when I'm not there with you guys and walking around checking all your work. The schedule as of now, online learning, you'll see here I also added this to the Canvas page. You guys can go through. I have office hours till 4 o'clock almost every day except for Wednesday. And you guys have your class schedule available for you. If you need to contact me or information, you can call the classroom phone or send me an email with your voicemail. My email address is aslynch@mpsaz.org. I also have a Remind account for the 7th grade and the 8th grade if you need to log into that so you can follow along with any information or if you need to get a hold of me that direction. Please reach out to me if you need anything, and I will try to get to you as quickly as possible. Can't wait for this year, and thank you guys.